Welcome back to Wheels Wizard, your go-to destination for thrilling car reviews, automotive news, and everything in between. If you love high-performance machines and luxury sports cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic supercars of the modern era, the Audi R8. Let's dive in. A statement of pure performance and precision engineering. With its aggressive styling, roaring engine, and track-ready handling, the R8 has cemented its place as one of the best supercars you can buy. R8 looks sharper and more menacing than ever. Its signature single-frame grille, striking LED headlights, and bold air intakes give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The sleek lines and aerodynamic curves aren't just for show. They enhance performance by improving airflow and stability at high speeds. But what truly makes the R8 special is what's under the hood. It's powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine, delivering a breathtaking 562 horsepower in the standard model and up to 602 horsepower in the performance variant. This beast of an engine is paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring that power is delivered to the road with maximum efficiency and control. The performance numbers are just as impressive as you'd expect. The R8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds with a top speed of around 200 mph. But it's not just about raw power. Its dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear changes, while the adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising the highway or carving up mountain roads. Inside, the R8 offers a luxurious, yet minimalist cabin. You get high-quality materials, a fully digital cockpit, and an infotainment system that keeps things simple and driver-focused. It's all about enhancing the driving experience. So is the Audi R8 still the king of everyday supercars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more thrilling car content. Thanks for watching Wheels Wizard. We'll see you in the next one.